Hey guys, what's going on? This is Mr. Stubbs. I know I got quite a few emails last night about this homework, and I think you're going to find out it's not maybe as difficult as or as confusing as what you thought. So let me explain one of these or two of these to you so we can all get on the same page. So yesterday we talked about independent events. And we know that we have to multiply the two events by each other, so we're multiplying fractions to get the probability of those two independent events happening. So let's look at the question here. It says use the details about the car dealership to answer the questions below. The car dealership has various combinations of vehicles in their car lot, all of which have an equally likely chance of being selected. Use the list of options below to determine the probability of each vehicle being selected. So here is our first two independent events. Selecting an SUV with a blue exterior. So if we look right here under vehicle, we have a 1 out of 3 chance of selecting an SUV because there are obviously 3 vehicles. So 1 out of 3 chance of selecting an SUV. And then we're going to multiply that by, what's the chances of picking a blue exterior? Well, there's 4 different color of exteriors, so that means that you have a 1 out of 4 chance of picking a blue exterior. So in all, the probability of picking an SUV with blue exterior, when you multiply the 1/3 chance of getting an SUV by the 1/4 chance of getting a blue exterior, we know that that is 1/12. 1/3 times 1/4 is 1/12. All right, let's do one more together. Selecting a black vehicle with a leather interior. So black vehicle, so as again, we know that there are 4 color options. So that would be a 1 out of 4 chance of selecting a black exterior. And then the interior, they're telling us that what's the chances of getting a leather? Well, there's only 2 interior options, leather or cloth. So you have a 1 out of 2 chance of getting a leather interior. So when you multiply the 2 independent events together, the 1/4 chance of getting a black exterior with a leather interior, 1/4 times 1/2 is equal to the probability of 1/8. So I hope this helps you out. You're going to finish the rest of this homework if you have not finished it, and then obviously hit submit. Remember, you can always do this homework as many times as you need to master it before the due date. Also, after that, you are going to do your iReady personalized path, and if you've already done this homework and got a score you would like, you will begin starting on your iReady personalized path right from the start. Thank you, and I hope this helps, guys.